What is up, guys? Just want to do a quick update on this deck here. I've got everything taken out around the sides all the way. You can see right up to the edge where the lockers start. Locker frames like this one. Same thing on this side, all the way around. All the way around. You can see some of the wood is left. This wood is still bonded to the bottom. You can see that it's kind of a wet day. Actually, it was just raining. So everything is more or less staying dry underneath here. This morning I took I cut this bottom off where they had it supported with this piece of plywood. This is actually pretty solid, and I don't know if there was some issues with the seat wiggling or something, but it's pretty dark on here, huh? But it's pretty solid, and basically I'm just letting everything dry. I'm gonna re-glass this, and I'm gonna fill these holes up. I'll re-glass these. It'll be a solid spot to drill through. And probably what I'll do is I'll take from the bottom, I'll take a hole saw and I'll drill out some holes, make those solid fiber. And what else? That's it. Tuesday I'm going to start bonding all this foam Nitacor in, and this trimer inside is going to be coming out. I'm going to bring this inside for a day or two and flip it and glass a couple sheets on the bottom here and get it finished and off to its new home. I don't know what the hell this is, some plastic PVC or whatever. I'll take that out too. These are little cracks, gel coat. Basically I'm going to coat the whole top with some gel coat too once everything's glassed. So in any case, that is a quick update on what is going on with this deck. If you made it this far, you made it pretty far. So go ahead and like this, share it with your buddies. Please subscribe. You'll get notifications for this hatch, which is a tank cover, and other projects we have going on. Thank you.